Good morning. Is it a good morning? Well, yes. Yes, it is. I look a little tired, apologies. Look at my face. Stayed up too late playing games, but I am wide awake. It's early on a Sunday. We are going to the International Kit Car Show at Stoneleigh, and we are going to go shopping, a lot of shopping, which is exciting if you need to shop for car parts, which we do. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. So anyone that's got an interest in going to Stoneleigh, interest in kit cars, or you just want to see what the whole show's about, I'm going to take you guys along and we can have a look. See what Well guys, that's Stoneleigh International Kit Car Show. Actually a little bit quiet this year. There was there's 3 display halls, and they're usually all full, but one of them had barely anything in it, so we're down to 2 halls, and actually the trade area was pretty small as well. In terms of shopping, we've done all right. We've got the digital dash sorted, that's a big one, so that's all good. The rad fan and all the relays and stuff that go with our radiator, that's all sorted, so that's another big job ticked off. What we didn't get sorted is the oil cooler and remote housing, although I spoke to a chap at Car Builder Solutions. They do stock everything, they just don't have it with them, and they've given me a discount code to use in the next 7 days, and we've got a list of things to shop for online. So I think the oil cooler situation is sorted. What we don't have sorted is the fuel line. Bit of a pain. I was really hoping we'd get that sorted, but no one had anything we needed, so just have to shop online. So that's it. Hopefully you guys thought that was kind of interesting. Hopefully it's a bit quiet, like I say. I know when people think of kit cars, they always think of just Lotus 7 copies, Caterhams and such like, but there is a lot more than that. You know, there is a lot of Lotus 7 type cars, to be fair. They're all over the place, but you know, there's Cobras, there's, you know, classic Ferraris and Lotus and all kind of stuff like that. So anyway, that is it. I've got to drive home, and if the weather holds tomorrow, I'm back on the car. Right, see you later.